In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a project in Webflow. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure the process is seamless and straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Webflow. You'll want to navigate to your project dashboard, where you can see a list of all the projects you own or are currently working on. Find the specific project you want to transfer. This is crucial because transferring a project is similar to handing over the keys to your website, so choose carefully. Once you've located the project you wish to transfer, the next step is to click on the Site settings. This option will usually appear when you hover over your project card and is your gateway to making any administrative changes to your project. Inside the Site settings, look towards the upper part of your screen for the Transfer option. This button is your pivotal tool for proceeding with the transfer process. Clicking here will open up a few more options related to the transfer. The next critical piece of information you'll need is the recipient's email address. Make sure you have this handy before you continue. Once you're ready, enter the recipient's email into the designated field. It's important to double-check that you've entered this correctly since it determines who gains access to your project. An incorrect email address means an incorrect recipient, which we obviously want to avoid. With the email address securely in place, it's time to confirm this transfer by clicking the Transfer To button. This action initiates the transfer process and starts the wheels turning. Once you click this, Webflow takes care of the heavy lifting by moving the project from your dashboard to the recipients. For peace of mind, rest assured that the recipient will receive an email notification from Webflow as soon as the project transfer is complete. It's a terrific way for them to be informed and for you to feel confident that everything has gone as planned. Following the transfer, the project will appear in their Webflow dashboard, ready for them to dive in and start working. Once you've completed the transfer, it's essential to remember you will no longer have access to the project unless the new owner invites you back to collaborate. So, if you think you might need access in the future, it's worth having a brief discussion with the recipient to anticipate any ongoing collaboration needs. And that's it. You've successfully transferred a project on Webflow. This procedure is a fantastic way to collaborate, share resources, or simply hand over a project to a client or team member. Thanks for watching and happy Webflowing.